So much power in this job, which we use to get the bad guys once in a while. I'd like to use it to help the good guys, like Mr. Moore and his grandson.
And what? Forget about little Linda Harris?
No.
And,
I'm saying put it
I can upload it.
Mr. Moore is willing to do time. The Victor left me like it's closure.
Uy,
You don't think I'm feeling this? I gotta follow you.
wala Kelly.
You think we're gonna like where it takes us?
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Australianang Bisaya. To this video today, this afternoon, mag-dry, mag-blower and mag-ayon ako ng hair ko kasi mag-dinner kami ng asawa ko. Dinner daw kami. I-check niya ako for dinner, okay? Yeah. And then ko guys is Remington Self hair dryer. It's very good quality. This one is nearly 5 years with me. So done my blower guys. So ito na yung hair ko. At plantahin natin ito. Well, see the difference. I'm using Remington Silk iron. Planta in the side. Grabe yung handle niya. So, i-on ko lang to dito on. And set into 180 or pwede rin lagyan natin 190 yung heat temperature. And then I will wait until it's gonna beep. Beep, beep, meaning it's ready to go. Okay, oh, it's ready. Have you heard that? There you go. Buhol. Buhol kasi taga Buhol. From the land of chocolate hills. Nakapagpangasawa ng afam ng Australian. Bakit kaya guys, yung iba noon na nakapag-asawa ng foreigner nagbabago? Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Feeling nila mayayaman na sila, kaya umasta parang sino. Wag naman ganun mga kababayan. Be humble, stay who you are. Kung wag kalimutan ang pinanggagalingan. Dibash. So I'm
1 hour later.
Let's go. Now guys, for our dinner, it's really cold. Freezing cold talaga. Fox is not coming with us, so only si Hubby. So let's go. Mag-drive kami ng So we will drive guys ng 15 minutes for our restaurant from our place, and then before kami punta doon, magpa-petrol muna kami kasi wala na kaming petrol, zero na, para hindi kami mag-full. So we're going for the petrol. This is the petrol station, guys. Self-service. So service. So yan. You need to turn it for everything. So there he is, guys. Nagpa-petrol siya. So dito, self-service talaga. Walang mga boy attendant na mag-assist sa inyo. Kayo lang. Tapos magbayad lang kayo sa counter. So, pagbutihin mo, men. Pag gutom kayo, pwede kayong bibili dyan. At saka dyan kami magbayad sa quick stop. Yun doon kami magbabayad. Sa binili namin. Tapos na siya, guys, na nagpa-petrol. So, kailangan na niyang magbayad. Buon siya papasok. So, full na yung magbayad na si Mr. So, kailangan talagang mag-QR code bago pumasok dahil sa COVID na ito. So, yan. Nag-QR code siya para makapasok at nag-face mask. So, pasok, luningning. So, that's my chumby hubby. Chumby love. So, handcraft. So, may mga pagkainan din doon. Preschool chicken burgers kung magugutom kayo. So ako, andito lang sa car kasi super lamig. 11 degrees. So guys, tapos na siya. May chambi-chambi. May chambi-chambi. Tapos na kami nagpa-petrol. Punta na kami sa aming kakainan na restaurant. It's 11 degrees. Super lamig talaga. So, let's go. See you later. So, this is the club.
This is the best Chinese apparently.
The best Chinese in town.
Yeah.
So, there's the car park. There's the club there. Bowling club. So we're here na, guys. Oy. After 15 minutes drive, so 15 minutes. We just need to follow the protocol mask, and then we always bring a hand sanitizer for our own safety.
They've got it there anyway.
Okay, so just leave it there. It's so very quiet. Please, I have gas here, darling.
Just be careful. Photo. And I'll send it. I'll send it to. I'll send it to Scooby.
Why?
Hmm?
Why? That's our food, guys. Fried rice, Singapore noodles, and wine and Hubby. So we're here in Granwell Point restaurant, guys. So let's watch out in the steps. So we're going home, guys. We're having fun with our dinner date with my lovey. So we're having fun, guys. It's really cold, so we're going home now. See you later. Did you have fun, darling?
Yeah.
You're right. What you doing? Since just this, it's been a long time we're not having dinner, no? So, hindi kami palaging nagdi-dinner, guys. Minsan ako naisipan namin. So, thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. God bless. Home time.